Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this video, we are going to learn about dictionaries. So we have seen how to use tuples and sets in the previous video. Now let's learn dictionaries. Now dictionaries in Python are a collection of key value pairs that allows for efficient storage and retrieval of data. The first one is len, then keys, values, items, get and pop. Let's see how it is used. So the first one we had is len dictionary. So as we have seen previously, it returns the number of key value pairs in the dictionary. So let's suppose I am having a categories, and this time I have to write it as DICT, that shows it's a dictionary. And as we know in dictionary, we have key value pairs. So here, let's say the key is fruit and the value is, let's say, apple. Then the next key is, let's say, color, and the value is red. Next, let's say the next key is shape and the value is round. So we had three key value pairs: fruit, color and shape as the keys, and apple, red and round are the values. So let me store the len in a variable result. So len, I want to find out the length of these dictionary categories. Now if I print it, it will give me a result. So we are getting that we have three key value pairs in our dictionary. Now, if you only want to showcase the keys, so it will return all the keys in the dictionary. So let me copy it and use the same dictionary, and this time I will be writing it as key list. This is a variable in which I'm going to store the list. It will have categories underscore DICT, and from here I want to find out the keys. I will simply write key. And now let me print this variable. And we got the output only the keys like fruit, color and shape. Similarly for the values, if I write the entire same thing, and this time I will just change these keys to values, and you can see we are getting the values, that is apple, red and round. Now next we have items. So item will be returning the entire thing, that how many items are there. Keys and values together makes item. So here I will be writing items. And we can see fruit, apple, color, red, shape, round, we got in the output. Now the next is get. So it returns a value associated with a specified key. And if the key is not found, it will return none by default or a specified default value. Say if I am looking for fruit, it will give me apple as the value. If I'm looking for shape, it will give me round in the output. But now if I suddenly ask something which is not in this dictionary, it will show me null or some default value. Let us find out. So I have this dictionary, and let me take a variable, let's say output, where, and I will be writing here categories underscore DICT, and now here I will be using the get function. I want to get the value for fruit. Let me put it in double quotes, and it will print me the output. And you can see for fruit, the value is apple from this dictionary. Now, if I have used something else, let's say I'm writing here size. Now you can see in our dictionary, we don't have any size given. So if I run it, it will give me none in the output because we don't have size given in our dictionary. Then lastly, we had pop. So it removes the key value pair with a specified key and returns the value. And if the key is not found, it will raise a key error or returns a specified default value. So let me copy this here as well, and let me write removed color, where I want to remove the color part. So categories underscore dict, and here I want to pop. So it will remove the color and returns only red. Let me run it. So print removed color. So you can say it has removed the color and is only returning red. If I mention here size, now we don't have any size given. Let us see what it will return. It is showing us error. So I hope these basic things and data structures are clear. With this, we have come to the end of the video. In the next video, we will learn Python flow controls and loops.